Hi, due date ko na ba? Okay, tomorrow na lang. Thank you. Bayaran na naman ang bills. Pero okay lang guys. May kakampi tayo dyan, Peso Loan app. Dito kasi guys, sobrang bilis lang. Kaya dinownload ko agad siya. 3 easy steps lang guys. Napakabilis lang. Submit information, one valid ID, get credit, and receive money. Ang kagandahan pa nito guys, up to 20,000 yung pwede nyo dito ma-avail. Tapos ang maximum loan of terms niya is 127 days lang guys. Ganun lang siya kabilis, walang hassle. So I highly recommend Peso Loan app guys. Just download it, receive money, that's it. Solve ang problema nyo. Peso Loan app, download now.